Hey boys and girls, it's Blackberry time again. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we are making another easy recipe. This was created by Simon Difford in 2020 in Rye, England. It's called Blackberry Fruitini. It's real easy to make, 4 ingredients only, so without further ado, let's make a Blackberry Fruitini. First we're going to need blackberries, around 5, followed by orange bitters, 2 dashes. Next up is simple syrup, 12.5 mils, a little less than half an ounce. Now we're going to muddle the ingredients. And the main ingredient, vodka, 60 mils or 2 ounces. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake our cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful, like always. Smells like vodka. Now we need a chilled glass. And we're going to fine strain our cocktail into our chilled glass. Now garnish with some blackberries. And that's it, ladies and gents, Blackberry Fruitini. Cheers! Nice. You can taste vodka. You can taste just a little bit of orange bitters, but really lightly. Blackberries and vodka dominant, hence the fruitini part, I guess. It's good if you like fruity vodka cocktails. This one's amazing. Simon, you did it again. Amazing cocktail, amazing. I mean, I love blackberries, I love raspberries. Raspberries are my favorite. I love strawberries, all kinds of berries. So I'm a little bit biased here, but if you like berries, try it. If you don't like berries but want to try something new, be my guest. It's good. If you like vodka, you know what to do. Try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Blackberry Fruitini. Real easy to make. Just a few ingredients: vodka, simple syrup, orange bitters, and some fresh blackberries. A mix that is tasty, delicious, amazing, refreshing, with a kick. 2 ounces of vodka. You know what that can do to you. So be my guest, try it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.